Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone who has built substantial wealth or has a high income: life insurance. Now, I know what you might be thinking, isn't life insurance just life insurance? Well, yes and no. For high-income earners, it's not just about replacing lost income for your family. It's a powerful financial tool that can help with estate planning, tax-free wealth transfer, business succession, and even creating a legacy. So, if you're looking to protect and maximize the wealth you've worked so hard to build, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the best life insurance strategies specifically designed for high net worth individuals. First, let's talk about why standard term life insurance, while great for many, often isn't enough for high-income earners. Term life insurance is simple. You pay a premium for a specific term, say 20 or 30 years, and if you pass away during that term, your beneficiaries get a payout. It is affordable and effective for covering temporary needs like a mortgage or your kid's college education. But for high net worth individuals, financial obligations don't just disappear after 30 years. Your concerns are often permanent. You're thinking about estate taxes, which can be substantial, or ensuring your business can continue without you. This is where permanent life insurance comes into play. It provides coverage for your entire life, not just a set term, and it comes with a cash value component that grows over time. So, let's explore the top types of permanent life insurance for high earners. The first one we need to discuss is whole life insurance. Think of whole life as the slow and steady workhorse of the insurance world. It offers a guaranteed death benefit, guaranteed level premiums that never increase, and a guaranteed rate of return on your cash value. This predictability is a huge plus. The cash value component grows tax-deferred, and you can borrow against it if you need liquidity. For high-income earners, whole life can be a stable foundation for an estate plan, providing the funds needed to pay estate taxes. So your heirs don't have to sell off assets like property or a family business just to cover the tax bill. It's a conservative, reliable choice. Next up, we have universal life insurance, or LEL. Universal life is more flexible than whole life. It also offers a death benefit and a cash value component, but it gives you the flexibility to adjust your premium payments and even the death benefit amount within certain limits. This can be very attractive if your income fluctuates. For example, if you have a great year, you can overfund the policy to build up cash value faster. If you have a leaner year, you might be able to pay a lower premium, using some of the accumulated cash value to cover the cost of insurance. This adaptability makes UL a popular choice for those who want more control over their policy. There are a few different flavors of UL, like Guaranteed Universal Life, which focuses on providing a guaranteed death benefit with minimal cash value growth, making it a more affordable, permanent option. Now, let's get into the more dynamic options, starting with Indexed Universal Life, or IUL. This is where things get really interesting for wealth building. An IUL policy links your cash value growth to a stock market index, like the S&P 500. Here is the key benefit. You get to participate in the market's upsides, but you're also protected from the downsides. Most IUL policies have what's called a floor, which is typically 0%. This means that even if the market crashes, your cash value won't lose money due to market performance. You get upside potential with downside protection. The growth is still tax-deferred, and you can access the cash value tax-free through policy loans. For income earners looking to accumulate wealth in a tax-advantaged way, an IUL can be an incredibly powerful tool, acting almost like a super Roth IRA with no contribution limits and a death benefit on top. Another advanced strategy is Variable Universal Life, or VU. A VUL policy is for the more hands-on, risk-tolerant investor. With AVUL, your cash value is invested directly into sub-accounts, which are similar to mutual funds. This means you have the potential for much higher returns compared to whole life or IUL, because you're directly exposed to the market. However, it also means you're exposed to market risk. If your investments do poorly, your cash value could decrease, and you might even have to pay higher premiums to keep the policy from lapsing. A VOL is best suited for sophisticated investors who are comfortable with managing their investment choices and understand the associated risks. The potential for high growth makes it a compelling option for maximizing tax-free wealth transfer over the long term. So, we've covered the main types: whole life, universal life, indexed universal life, and variable universal life. How do you actually use these to your advantage beyond just the death benefit? One of the most powerful strategies for high net worth individuals is setting up an irrevocable life insurance trust, or an ILIT. Here's how it works. Instead of you owning the life insurance policy, you create a trust, and the trust owns the policy. You then make gifts to the trust, and the trust uses that money to pay the premiums. Why go through all this trouble? Because when the trust owns the policy, the death benefit payout is not considered part of your estate. This means it's not subject to federal estate taxes. For large estates, this can save your heirs millions of dollars in taxes, ensuring the full value of the policy goes directly to them. Another key application is business succession planning. If you own a business with partners, a buy-sell agreement funded by life insurance is essential. Each partner takes out a life insurance policy on the other partners. If one partner passes away, the death benefit provides the surviving partners with the cash to buy out the deceased partner's share of the business from their family. This ensures a smooth transition. The business can continue operating, and the family receives a fair value for their stake without having to be involved in the business operations. This protects both your business legacy and your family's financial future. Now, let's talk about a big question. How much coverage do you actually need? The old rule of thumb of 10 times your income doesn't really apply to high net worth individuals. You need to think bigger. You should work with a financial advisor to do a proper estate analysis. You'll want to calculate your potential estate tax liability, any outstanding debts, the amount needed to fund a buy-sell agreement, and the amount of income you want to provide for your family or charitable causes. The goal is to ensure liquidity, so your assets you won't have to be fire-sold to cover these expenses. It's not uncommon for high-income earners to have policies worth $10, $25, or even $50 million or more, depending on the size of their estate. Choosing the right policy is a big decision, and it's not something you should do alone. It is vital to work with an independent financial advisor or an insurance professional who specializes in working with high-net-worth clients. They can help you navigate the complexities, compare illustrations from different carriers, and design a strategy that aligns perfectly with your specific financial goals, risk tolerance, and legacy plans. They can also help you with the underwriting process, which can be more complex for larger policies. Remember, life insurance is a long-term commitment, so you want to get it right from the start. To recap, for high-income earners, life insurance is so much more than a safety net. It's a strategic tool for tax-efficient wealth accumulation, seamless wealth transfer, business preservation, and legacy creation. While term insurance has its place, permanent policies like whole life, IUL, and VUL offer the features needed for sophisticated estate planning. By understanding these options and working with the right professionals, you can leverage life insurance to protect your family, your business, and the wealth you've worked a lifetime to build. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on building and protecting your wealth. See you in the next one.